That's right. Thanks a lot, Nick. So what if the space shuttle cost a little over $2 billion? So what? It weighs 4.5 million pounds. I'm a highly trained broadcast professional. I'm not that highly trained and not terribly professional, but it turns out I can launch, orbit, and land the space shuttle. Believe me?
No.
Well, if you're skeptical, then you're in good company. Find out in part 2 of my 3-part series, Lonestar on the Edge in Space. You can get in there and you can make any scenario from weather to running out of gas.
Yep. You've got weather, different approach options. Basically, weather includes basically visibility effects, wind effects. All that can go to day landings, night landings. So you have a lot of control of the sim environment itself. You can put in density shears, you can put in wind shears.
So here's what I want. I want you to throw everything you got at me.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, we can certainly do it.
All right, let's do it.
See how you do. So the first thing the crew looks for is the roll. And you can see on your ADI ball the vehicle's rolling onto its back.
I think I saw Disney World, actually.
I'm not sure the visuals are quite that good, but we're about 40, coming up on a minute into flight, and our altitude is already 40,000 feet. And we're climbing at 1,300 feet per second. Now we're in what's called second stage, major mode 103, and notice how smooth the ride is.
Are we in 0G yet?
No.
We're still in the Earth's atmosphere.
We're still accelerating during powered flight. We're coming up on Mach 6 times the speed of sound. And we're already at 214,000 feet altitude.
I think most laymen would be under the impression, at least I am, that the shuttle goes in a straight line.
Straight up?
Straight up.
Nope, not at all.
You're going up and then back.
You go up initially just to get rid of the drag, to get out of the atmosphere.
Okay.
Then you go onto your back and you go downrange. It's called downrange velocity.
Okay, Steven, did you know that? Did you know? You thought you went in a straight line, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I wasn't the only one.
You want to do a landing?
Let's do a landing.
Operator crew station. Hey, that's not a picture carry KC, please. The runway is actually right off our right shoulder. We're falling at almost 300 feet per second. We're falling a football field a second. Just come off to the right, and again, be aggressive, just be smooth. Put that circle back over that diamond. Push forward on the stick, bring the nose down. Here comes the chute. And now you're steering with your feet. Remember, it doesn't matter where you land, it just matters where you stop. That's where all the pictures are taken. It's a good landing.
So here's the question, do I have the right stuff?
I think you got the right stuff. That's a good job. We see about 50-50 success rate on that, and that was good.
Thank you, so much. We got time to do it again?
Sure do.
And I was fine. And then we did it again, and I crashed and burned, much like prom night, actually. But I want to thank the Johnson Space Center for their hospitality. Coming up this next week, 1 week from today, they actually put me in the centrifuge and spin me at 400 RPM. You saw that in the movie The Right Stuff, where you experience the G-force, and wait and see what happens with that. It's actually, well, you guys will find it comical at least.
I'm sure we will.